Okay, let's play a game. Dugsungan tayo. Pag mali yung sagot mo, pwedeng makasagot yung isa. Okay, rock, paper, scissors tayo. Ikaw muna, Ethan.
Yellow ball. Milk box. Box. Yellow bat. Milk balls. Yellow basket. Basketball. Ball pen. Milk bat. Time. Over. Over. Put. Ball point. Point down. Down H. Downhill. Hilltop.
Ayan, so ang winner si Ethan. Handshake muna.